Now I am going to speak about Mahatma Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Tagore gave him the title Mahatma. He was also known as Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 1869 October 2nd. He was influenced by the story of Stravana and the play of Satharichandra. He influenced by the parental love of Stravana and the truthfulness of Satharichandra. His early education was held at Rajkot and Bhavnagar. After completing matriculation, he went to England for barrister study. He returned to India after completing his barrister study. He practiced at Bombay High Court, but he was not interested in lawyer's profession. He believed that he listened that lawyer's profession is a lawyer's profession, but he didn't take any false classes always. Next, a person named Dada Bai called him to argue a case from South Africa to the case in South Africa. In South Africa, Gandhi fought for justice. He condemned racial prejudices. He liked the whites but not their inhuman policies. He was also a victim of these prejudices. When he was in a railway compartment, he was thrown out of it only because he was not a white. He was not being a white. There he started Satyagraha first and got some benefits to the Indians living there. Because of his because of his because of his fight against the injustice, the government passed Indian Relief Act in 1914. It gave so many benefits to the Indians living there. During his stay at London, he met so many great personalities like Madame Anne Besant. He was greatly influenced by the Tolstoy, Mill, Bentham, and Spencer. He, he never imitated Western civilization. He, he led a simple living and high thinking. Next, after coming to India, he joined in Indian national movement for for the purpose of freedom to India, which was already led by Gopalakrishna Gokhale, Lokmanya Balagangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Vallabhbhai Patel. He started Sabarmati Ashram at Ahmedabad, where his wife Kasturba was also played a key role. He started so many. He guided Indian National Congress and started so many movements like Salt Satyagraha, Quit India, Non-Cooperation and Swadeshi. He worked for the upliftment of Harijans and removal of untouchability. He started a magazine called Harijan. He worked hard for the unity of Hindus and Muslims. He preached all men and women are brothers and sisters. Whatever he preached, he practiced. He- Because of he, in his leadership, India got freedom on 15th August 1947. Later, he was shot dead by a fanatic on January 30th, 1948. The Mahatma Gandhi didn't see the fruits of the hard-earned independence, hard-earned independence. He believed that cottage industry should, should be developed. He suggested cottage industries for the unemployment, a solution to unemployment in India. He was a saint among politicians and a politician among saints. UNO declared his birthday of as International Nonviolence Day. Okay, thank you.